Be your own boss. Some home business tips. Starting a home business need not be a daunting task for the well-prepared entrepreneur. Advanced planning and research will improve the chances of success for any business. Even established home business owners can reap improved performance from additional learning. This video conveys some simple tips and tricks that may be of use to home business owners, whether or not they are just starting out. When running a home business, be sure to schedule specific business hours. It can be extremely difficult when you start a home business to stay out of the office, but if you want to keep your sanity and maintain a positive relationship with others, you want to be sure to make time for each, and set a standard that others can expect from you. To keep your finances in order, acquire a unique checking account and credit card to use for your home business. Use them for every business transaction you have, and use them for business only. Keeping your business finances separate from your personal finances will make it much easier on you when tax time rolls around. Take pride in your work. Don't let anyone, especially your competition, talk down to you because your business is home-based. You are leaner, more flexible, and can often offer lower prices because you have less overhead expenses. Conduct your business with a professional attitude, and that is how others will see you. Working at home can make it easy to become a hermit. At times it can be empowering, but it can also be lonely being by yourself most of the time. Take time in your schedule to connect with others, and just get out of the house. Do whatever you like to do that reminds you that you are part of the world. Education might well be the best way to guarantee home business success. This video includes just a few of the many ideas available to the enterprising home business owner. Remaining open to new strategies and fresh ideas is a great strategy for anyone looking to make their home business pay off. Student loan.